My name's Angelina Magro. I'm with the Center for Rural Affairs, and today I'm going to show you how to use a quilting machine. Today I'm going to show you how to use our Bernina Q16 quilting machine to quilt a pot holder. It's a quick project that you can do, very simple. When you do come into the Makerspace, you do have to watch the introductory videos and instructional videos provided by Bernina in order to use the quilting machine. So what you're going to need is your 100% cotton fabric. When you're making pot holders, you want to use 100% natural cotton because it can melt. If you're using a cotton poly blend, polyester does melt. So you want to make sure that all of your pieces are cotton. So now we're going to layer our fabrics onto our batting. Okay. Now you don't have to pin it, but you can pin it if you want to. The cotton fabrics usually stick together and they don't really move around, so it's not a big deal if you don't pin. Okay, so now we're going to start quilting. And we're going to do a simple back and forth line pattern. We're leaving space on the edges because we're going to be adding a bias tape edging around our pot holder. Okay, so now we're going to take our scissors, we're going to trim our thread, and we have our batting in between our two pieces of cotton, and now we're ready to put on our edge. Now that our project is complete, we're ready to put the edging on it. If you ever have questions while you're here at the Makerspace using the quilting machine, feel free to ask any staff that's available. We also have this very detailed instruction manual that shows you instructions on how to do pretty much everything with this machine. It shows you how to thread, how to do the bobbins, how to do the bobbin tension. It can tell you how to use the entire machine.